In this video, we're looking at number 4 from the review. We want to know what is the image of BC after a 120 degree counterclockwise rotation around G. There's a lot of pieces to that. So what you want to make sure that you do is that you want to make sure you are keeping track of which segment it is that you want. This one says BC, which is down here. So our rotation is counterclockwise, which means we want to go backwards here around, like it's the reverse of a clock. And we want to go on, that's a 60-degree rotation when I just move C up to D. That's a 60-degree rotation there. You know it's a 60-degree rotation because it's like you have an equilateral triangle there. And then you rotate it one more time for another 60-degree rotation. And again, you know it's another 60-degree rotation because of that equilateral triangle there. So this is a 120-degree rotation counterclockwise around G. And you can see that this highlighted in blue here is now ED. So that means that my BC is now up at ED. So what is the segment? The segment is ED. In the next part of this problem, we want to know what is the image of segment DC after a reflection over line FC. So for this one, I really wanted to draw that line FC so that I could see what that looks like. And if I want to take DC, that's this piece here, and I want to reflect it over line FC, I can do that just by folding this line. And if I fold this line, I can see that it's now down here at this piece. Well, that piece is BC. BC is down there. So the image of DC after the reflection is BC. Because D comes down here to B and C stays right where it is. So DC becomes BC because D goes to B and C stays at C.